This is Angel Trumpet. Here she is, blooming away. She's blooming away. But she look gorgeous though. I'm not gonna get mad at you. But anyway, guys, let's get some seeds. Let's get some seeds dropped. Because I could just do this all day. Just watch her. But we ain't gonna do that. Today is a watermelon check. What's going on over here in this patch? Well, one thing is growing very nicely. I did spot a couple of melons. That's if nothing didn't come and eat it. You know, because usually in my garden, right? Many of my melons get destroyed or eaten by a possum when they are almost ripe, because the possums and all of the critters, they can smell when your melons are ripe. So wait, now I thought I saw, yeah, here's one right here. Where are you, baby? Oh shoot, where is it? There it is. Well, let me see. I cannot see through this thing really well, but I'm gonna put my hand on it. There it is. There she is. That's one melon I see. Oh, here's another one right here. There she is, right there. So there's a couple of them in here. I have lots and lots of beneficial insects, so I know things are getting pollinated. So I found something that it may be a tiger melon, but let's see. Where is it now? There it is. Oh yeah, that's a tiger. I think it's a tiger, but that's it. It's pretty big. She is right here. That's her right there. I think it's a tigger, y'all. I think it's a tigger. I'm the leaf all in the way. There she is. Yeah. She got nice eyes. Let me see, can I follow her? She might be a melon. Let me see. This is her right here. So, this is her. This is her. Oh, I think it's a tigger, y'all. I think it's a tiger melon. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. I'm trying to move that leaf. There we go. Yes. Yes. Oh, wow. There's another one. Well, that looked like a watermelon. Well, I don't know. It's a melon. But that's another one right there. But we shall see. She will say her name after a while, you know. She will say who she is. But that's awesome. Awesome. Anyway, we have melons, which is cool. Alright guys, so it's my sweet potatoes under there. They're doing really well. And of course, melitons. They're doing good. They just all over everybody. That's okay. I don't mind. I don't mind. This is one of my Maya lemon trees. She had lemons. She got a bunch of lemons on her. A bunch of leaves have lemons, so that's really cool. Very cool. And of course, this baby, she's showing out, y'all. She's showing out. Yes, she's showing out over here. I love it. The Fuyu persimmon. She's doing really well. Really well. These are the LSU goals, and they are really, really just fat and plumpy, and now I'm just waiting for them to turn colors because they fat, y'all. They fat. They fat girls. The purple, all of them really are doing really good. All of them are full of fruit. All of them are. Yeah. That little lemon tree back there, she's doing really good. She has some lemons. I had to get some of those caterpillars off of her, but she's all right. I do have another lemon tree, but she is in the ground over there, and she's doing okay too. Yeah. And of course, this is the elderberry. This is the oldest elderberry in my yard. She's really big and very established, and she have fruits on her. Let me see those fruits. Let me see. There you go. She have fruits and lots of flowers and so on. She's doing her thing. Yep. And I do have another one. Well, I have them all over. You know, if you get elderberries, they will be coming up everywhere. And I mean everywhere. Well, here in my area, they come up everywhere. So I got this 17-gallon container. I got it all filled up. Yo, I put super juice in it. Woo, yeah, baby, she's talking loud, saying everything. But anyway, I got it all together. Now, I was gonna plant more of that. Wait, let me take this glove off, y'all. Hold on. So I was gonna plant more of the botanical interest, honey and cream. But, yo, I have a pack, but that pack is just like 2 or 3 seeds in it. I don't know why I did that. Why I just didn't drop them all, you know? But anyway. But I have something else that I'm going to put in here. So let me find her. There she is. So, boom. Now you know, I know how she tastes. She tastes just as good. But that honey and cream, now you know, she is worth a grow. She is definitely worth a grow. But we're gonna drop these peaches and cream, of which I love. Yeah, and I love just eating it straight off the plant. It is just so delicious. Cooking is optional when you're growing it yourself. Now, when you purchase your corn from the store, sometimes, you know, it's still in the husk, but I want to grow my own to pull it and eat it myself. But anyway, let me drop some of these seeds, y'all. Yeah, today is June 6th. Yeah, so I'm dropping corn today. More corn today. All right, there they are. So I'm just gonna put them down in here. Yeah, baby. Now, listen, corn love to be close together. I love for them to be close together because they will pollinate each other. I don't have to worry about a lot of hand pollinating when they are close. So there you go, babies. Now I'm gonna give them some water. I just may give them a little bit more super juice. And we got it all planted up. More corn on the way. All right, guys, let me get up out of here. It's hot, and I'm out here at a real hot time of the day, so let me go. All right, y'all. I brought in some flowers for some tea, and that is breakfast. Breakfast. I got some peaches back there. That's a tomato. But I'm gonna add this to my little stash, and we're gonna make some tea. I wanted to share my seeds. 1 second. So these are many of the seeds I'm going to drop today. Now I have some of these. These are those flowers from Botanical Interest. I'm looking for this one, but really, yo, this is the one right here. Wait a minute here. This is the one that I'm really looking for. I'm gonna drop it separately. I can see those out there. I can see them. Yeah, these here. They showing their face. I want to see those. So these are some of the seeds I'm going to drop today, what today is, June 7th. It's Tuesday. We're going to talk about it too on the live, all right, tonight.